So, final verdict. Everything's out. Done drying, washing, retwisting, all that other stuff. So, I like it. I like the product line. I like the shampoo and the conditioner for locks. I probably like the oil just as a moisturizer, but not something to solely retwist my hair. Only because I don't think that's what it was meant for. And I think it did an okay job for what it was. It actually did a really good job for it just being oil. It kind of reminds me of the aloe vera retwist I did a little bit, but the aloe vera gel was a little more, it did a better job of holding all the little strayaways and stuff like that. So all in all, I'll say yes to this as far as like a washing condition and a moisturizing oil, but find you something to retwist your hair because I don't think that's it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment below. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified as soon as I post a new video. Until next time, y'all be easy.